Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is November 1, 2023, Wednesday. So option expiry for BankNifty. First the levels, then power of technical as always. First the levels, FinNifty, it closed at 19,144.60, 0.31% down, while BankNifty closed exactly at 42,700.95. You see how controlled they have closed. They have neither closed below that or above that. So that the option of 42,700 call and put will expire worthless. That's how like they managed it at the end. 0.34% down. And Nifty closed at 18,989.15, 0.4% down. So what is the levels we said? We had said that the Bollinger middle band in the daily chart will act as a resistance for BankNifty and tomorrow for Nifty also. And the monthly middle band will act as a support for BankNifty. It never went there, it hovered there. Because I want people to learn technical analysis, I am not giving the price range equivalent to that. So people can search for and get the levels. It closed exactly within the level that we had said. That's the power of technical analysis. So what happened? Today, once again, these days, it is very difficult for day traders. Why? It opened the gap down, then it formed Doji. Nothing it formed. So then that means it was just jumping up for 50 points, 100 points, then coming down 100 points, moving sideways, and it formed a Doji. What it signifies? Today is the first trading day for the month of November. So fortunately, what happened? BankNifty, Nifty and FinNifty all were able to manage to stay above the October low. Had October low been broken, then it would have been a case that November also is a gone case. But case is HDFC Bank is more or less like what you call struggling in this month also, because it has taken out the October low. That means the high of October will act as a very, very powerful resistance for HDFC Bank, which means Nifty cannot go up significantly, Bank Nifty cannot go up significantly, and in fact Bank Nifty cannot go up significantly. The reason being, at least Nifty has other components, while Bank Nifty, HDFC is one of the heavyweights. So overall, the texture and structure is still, it is on a downward trend. It is not able to go past the key exponential moving averages. But what is happening? One thing bears have to bear in mind at this point in time is that the risk to reward is not favorable to go short at these levels. While in the weekly chart also it is below the Bollinger lower band. That's why the Bollinger lower band is acting as a very powerful resistance for Bank Nifty. But Nifty is still above the Bollinger lower band in the weekly chart. But still what I feel is that the risk to reward is not favorable for bears, and it is because the Bollinger lower band is keeping going down significantly. There is no exhaustion shown by the bands. Of course, it can continue for many days, but only thing is that it is not going to be a great proportion for going short at these levels, unless otherwise intraday one knows the level and place. Okay, keeping a overnight position in this particularly a short position is highly risky, because any short covering can, they, like for example Japan market today, it opened straight away gap up 2% month beginning. What a person trader who has gone short can do? Nothing. He has to pray God, that's all. So hence, like, it is better one place carefully, and risk management is essential, particularly if you are a trader, day trader or swing trader. But for an investor, the story is completely different. So Nifty, however, it formed a solid red candle, but all three charts are going identical. The bands are not showing exhaustion, it is going down, the price is going down. Of course, yesterday was a solid red candle, today is a doji. Normally what happened, it can be construed in either ways, either a reversal or a continuation pattern. So confirmation will get only tomorrow, and tomorrow is again Nifty expiry. With this background, let's go into the analysis part of it. Banks: Axis Bank, Kotak, IndusInd Bank fell 1%, IDFC fell 2%, nothing moved up, all others remained flat. On the financials, IDFC, Jio, L&T Finance, Manappuram 1% down, Chola, M&M and Shriram 1%, M&M Finance and Shriram 1% up. Insurance and cards, ICICI General 1% down, ICICI Pru and SBI Life 2% down. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance remained flat. In the IT, Apple, HCL Tech, Infi, LTIM, TCS, TechM 1% down. Intellect down 2%. Yesterday it moved up significantly post its result, so it's just like what you call a pullback, I would call. More, it is not a reversal. Coforge and Emphasis 1% up. Birlasoft 3% up. In the consumer goods, Berger, Britannia, Colpal, Nestle, Page all down 1%. Asian Paints, Bata, Pidilite down 2%. Trent was the sole winner, moving up by 2%. In the automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Maruti 1% down, TVS Motor 2% down, Bajaj Auto and Bharat Forge 1% up. Metals, overall a down day, mixed day I would call. SAIL, JSW 1% down, Tata Steel 2% down, Jindal Steel had a massive fall of 7% post its result, and some views coming from MNC organization, the global players, saying that Jindal Steel, there is no significant up move possible in this stock, due to which I think it had a severe fall. Hindalco 1% up, Vedanta 3% up. In the health and pharma, Divi's and Lalpath 1% down, Metropolis 1% up, Sun Pharma 1% up. In the others category, L&T, Indigo, UPL, Zomato 1% down, Adani Enterprise, APL, Apollo, Delta, IRCTC 2% down, Adani Enterprise 3% down. So if you see that Adani Group is generally falling, because in this last quarter it will fall, and next year also Adani will have a fall, particularly Adani Enterprise and Adani Ports. I don't know about other stocks, I don't track. On the Aries moved up by 1%, DLF and MCX up by 2%. With all these things, for option expiry for Nifty tomorrow, the levels, once again the Bollinger middle band in the daily chart, that will act as a very powerful resistance, because that is a very, middle band is something very strong. No? Either it will act as a very powerful resistance, or it will act as a very powerful support, either ways, right? Likewise, the support for now in this case the middle band is acting as a resistance. So the support for Nifty is going to be at 200-day exponential moving average. Thank you very much.